Hello everyone, welcome to a session on preparation of balance sheet of banking companies under Unit 4 Bank Accounts of Corporate Accounting Part 1 for BCom 3rd semester. Dear students, during this session we will discuss about a preparation of a balance sheet of banking company with one example. So here is one problem on preparation of balance sheet of a banking company. In the last session, we solved a problem on preparation of profit and loss account of a banking company. Likewise, during this session, we will solve a problem on preparation of a balance sheet of a banking company. From the following informations of New India Bank Limited, prepare the balance sheet as at 31st March 2020. The information about New India Bank Limited is given. Based on that, we have to prepare the balance sheet. Here, share capital is given, statutory reserve is given, net profit for the year before appropriation is given. This is very important. Net profit for the year not clearly given, they were given it before appropriation. It means we have to make a note for finding the balance available to balance sheet or balance of a profit taken to balance sheet is to be calculated through a working note. Then they were also given the information about profit and loss account balance on 1/4/2019. It means it's a brought forward profit is given. Current account balance is given. Here cash in hand, cash with RBI, cash with other banks is given. Money at call and short notice is given. Investment in government securities is given. Investment in shares are given. Then they were also given the information about savings bank account deposit, fixed deposit is given, borrowings from other banks is given, and bills payable is given. And here at the right hand side, the information about the bills purchased and discounted is given, overdraft are given, term loans is given, premises, furniture. So almost all the schedules related the schedules relating to the balance sheet, whatever the schedules are there related to all those schedules, items are given in this problem. And as far as other informations are concerned, they are given claims against the bank not acknowledged as debt. Then current account include rupees 25,000 as debit balance representing overdraft is given. Then other information like acceptances and endorsements amounted to rupees 1,60,000 is given, and bills for collection amounted to rupees 1,50,000 is given. So they were given the information in the form of tabular as well as in other information. So based on these information, now first of all we have to make the bifurcation of the items as per the schedules. So ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಬೈಫರ್ಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ನಂತರ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ take a glance on the segregation of the items as per schedule here. So share capital is an item of schedule number 1, statutory reserve schedule number 2, right? Net profit for the year before appropriation, so it is schedule number 2. Then profit and loss brought forward balance here schedule number 2. Current account is an item of deposits, it comes under schedule number 3. Then cash in hand is an item of schedule number 6. Cash with RBI is also schedule number 6. Cash with other banks is a schedule number 7. Money at call and short notice is also an item of schedule number 7. Investment in government securities is schedule number 8. So any investments that may be in government securities or maybe in the form of shares. So investment is a part of schedule number 8. Likewise, we can also make the classification of the further items like savings bank account. It comes under schedule number 3. Fixed deposit, so it's also an item of schedule number 3. Borrowings from other banks is a schedule number 4. Bills payable is other liability, comes under schedule number 5. Likewise, bills purchased and discounted is an item of advances, so which comes under schedule number 9. Overdraft, term loans, these two items are also comes under advances, which covers schedule number 9. Then premises and fixtures or the furnitures are the fixed assets, so these are to be taken to schedule number 10. Then come to the other information. So as far as the claims against the bank are not acknowledged as debt is an item of contingent liabilities, so which is to be taken under schedule number 12. Then current account include is 25,000 as debit balance representing overdraft. So this other information is an item of contra entry. So here it affects at two aspects of the balance sheet. Once in the liability side and also in assets. So in liabilities, it is affected in the deposits where the current account will be there. Under that current account, we have to adjust this overdraft, and also it is to be taken or adjusted to schedule number 9 in advances where the overdraft is also to be adjusted. Then likewise, acceptances and endorsements is an item of schedule number 12, which is a contingent liability, and bills for collection is taken separately in the balance sheet as bills for collection. So likewise, we have to make the bifurcation or a classification of items given in the problem, and based on these, now we have to go for preparation of schedules. So for preparing schedules, there is a need of some important working notes. So usually in the information they are given one important thing I told you while making bifurcation. So this net profit for the year is given. This is an item of reserve and surplus that is to be taken to schedule number 2. But this is not to be directly taken because they were given it as before appropriation. If it is before appropriation, now we have to make appropriation, then remaining balances to be taken to that schedule number 2. So for this purpose, first of all, we have to make a working note. So calculation of balance of profit. So net profit for the year is given in the problem. So how much is the net profit before appropriation? Is here it is 2,50,000, and last year brought for profit is 2 lakh. So 2,50,000 and 2 lakh. These two items are to be taken here, and then we will get the total of rupees 4,50,000. So from this we have to make appropriations. So appropriations here means the compulsory appropriation is there. There is a mandatory transfer to statutory reserve at 25% of the profit. So profit which is to be taken here for calculation of statutory reserve is only net profit for the year. So net profit for the year is given here 2,50,000. So on that 2,50,000 we have to take at 25%, which will become 62,500, and then we'll get a balance of profit rupees 3,87,500. And now onwards we have to prepare the schedules to balance sheet. So first of all we have to go for share capital. So as far as the share capital is concerned, in the problem they are given that it's a very important thing in balances in information of the problem. They are given share capital 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each. So rupees 2 lakh. Only one item of share capital is given in the problem. So we have to take that 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, rupees 2 lakh. The total of this schedule number 1 is 2 lakh. Then now we have to go for the schedule number 2, that is for reserves and surplus. In reserve and surplus, first of all, statutory reserve is to be taken. Just we have worked out in the working note number 1 here. That is we have got here statutory reserve rupees 62,500. So this 62,500 is the current year one, current year statutory reserve. And regarding the opening balance, if any, that is will be given in the problem. So just look over the balances that problem. Here statutory reserve is given. Second item itself, it's the opening balance, which is 1,50,000. So that 1,50,000 is to be taken here, and to that we have to add additions during the year. Then we will get 2,12,500. And now we have to add balances of a profit which was found in the working note number 1 here, 3,87,500. And then we will get the total of reserve surplus, that is total of schedule number 2 is rupees 6 lakh. And now schedule number 3 is related to deposits. Just take a glance over the problem. Here schedule number 3 anta ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. So one is current account. So here 6,80,000 is there. Then ಈ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವುದು that number 3 schedule number 3 ಅಂತ mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ only one item ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Next slide ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. So here again 2 items, savings bank account ಇದೆ, fixed deposit ಇದೆ. So only 3 items are there related to the deposit. One is current account, second savings bank account, and fixed deposit. So 3 deposits are there. We have to take all these 3 deposits here. There is current account, savings bank account, fixed deposit account. And regarding these things, we have to check all the additional information. So additional information which covers, that is number 2, current account includes rupees 20,000 as debit balance representing overdraft. So this is an important adjustment. So this is to be adjusted here in the deposit. That is, current account includes overdraft 25,000. It means 6,80,000 is the balance of current account given in the problem, and 25,000 is a part of overdraft. So then total will be 7,05,000. And SB account given in the problem 2,20,000, fixed deposit is 3 lakh, then total is 12,25,000. And now I have to go for the fourth schedule number, that is borrowings. Borrowing related information, only one information is given in the problem. Here number 4 marked item is only one. There is 1,60,000, so that is to be taken here. Then schedule number 5, other liabilities, only one item is there, bills payable. So just you can take a look on this problem. Here bills payable, only one item, 40,000. Then just look over the last slide here. If there is any item of schedule number 6, that is to be taken to the schedule number 6. Cash in hand and cash with RBI, 2 items are given, and those 2 items are to be taken to the schedule number 6 here. So total of schedule number 6 is 2,50,000. Then we have to go for schedule number 7 for balance with other banks. So regarding these items, just we have to watch over the problem here. Related to schedule number 7, 2 items are given: cash with other banks and money at call and short notice, 2,40,000 and 1,10,000 respectively. Only 2 items are there. So those 2 items are to be taken here, and the total of schedule number 7 is 3,50,000. And now we have schedule number 8, investment. Related to this investment, we have 2 items. That is here investment in government securities and investment in shares. So these 2 items are to be taken to schedule number 8, and then we have to go for schedule number 9, allowances. Regarding these, we have one important item, that is overdraft given in the adjustment. So as far as the problem is concerned, the information given related to the schedule number 9 are here 3. One is bills purchased and discounted, then we have overdrafts, then term loans. These 3 items are to be taken. With these, we have to make adjustment number 2. Here 25,000 as debit balance representing overdraft. So under this overdraft, we have to adjust the balance given in the adjustment. So just look over that. Here advances, bills purchased and discounted as it is, we will take. Overdraft is to be adjusted here like this, 25,000. Then balance is taken to the outer column. Term loan is 5,24,000. Total of this schedule is 30,25,000. Then we have to go for schedule number 10. Only 2 items are there: premises and fixtures. There is no any adjustment. Then other assets, there is no any single information about this, so just it is nil. Then contingent liabilities. In adjustment, they are given 2 important items regarding the contingent liabilities. One is claims against bank not acknowledged as debt, and another is adjustment number 3, acceptance and endorsement amounted to rupees 1,60,000. So just look over this contingent liabilities. 2 items are taken. Then based on these information, we have to prepare the balance sheet. So just we have to post the relevant items to the respective heads here. So share capital. So first of all, we have to take as per the format all the items. Then we have to just post the amount here. Share capital 2 lakh, reserve surplus 6 lakh, deposits 12,25,000, borrowings 1,60,000, and other liabilities 40,000. Total of the capital and liabilities is rupees 22,25,000. Likewise, assets taken to the respective heads. Then contingent liabilities, and one more important item here is bills for collection, 1,50,000. So it is given in the adjustments. Just we have to follow that. So in the adjustment, last one, bills for collection amounted to 1,50,000. That is to be taken. So like this, we have to prepare the balance sheet. Then we have solved a problem on the balance sheet of the company. These are my references. Thank you.